गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। जैसा कि हम यूनिट नंबर 3 कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग डिस्कस कर रहे थे, अब हम इसका नेक्स्ट लेक्चर देखेंगे। इट्स लेक्चर नंबर 5, डिजास्टर रिसोर्सेज एंड देयर यूटिलिटी इन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट। डिजास्टर रिसोर्सेज देखेंगे कि डिजास्टर के जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं उन चीज़ को अपन कैसे स्टडी करेंगे। दिस डिजास्टर रिसोर्सेज पेज प्रोवाइड्स यू with access to vital information you will need for disaster preparedness, disaster survival and disaster recovery। हमने यहाँ देखा कि डिजास्टर प्रिपेयरनेस, किसी डिजास्टर को प्रिपेयर उसके क्या प्रिपेयरनेस होती है, और डिजास्टर सर्वाइवल, उस डिजास्टर को कैसे सर्वाइव किया जाता है, एंड लास्ट डिजास्टर रिकवरी। तो देयर आर मैनी बेनिफिट्स to taking the time review the information on this page। सबसे पहले जैसा कि मैंने बताया था टाइप्स ऑफ डिजास्टर में, सबसे पहला होता है आपका नेचुरल डिजास्टर और मेन मेड डिजास्टर। दो टाइप के अपन डिजास्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे, नेचुरल डिजास्टर और मेन मेड डिजास्टर। तो इनके रिसोर्सेज के बारे में देखेंगे। तो नेचुरल डिजास्टर को समझते हैं। ड्रॉट कैन बी डिफाइंड एज अ कंडीशन ऑफ अनयूजुअली ड्राई क्लाइमेट within a certain geographic region due to lack of annual rainfall। ऑब्वियसली बात है, सभी लोग जानते हैं कि ड्रॉट जो है उसको हम कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। एक अनयूजुअली ड्राई कंडीशन होती है जो जियोग्राफिक रीजन्स पे ग्राउंड पे क्यों क्रिएट होती है, जो रेनफॉल जो होता है, बारिश जो होती है वो कहीं ना कहीं कम होती है। इट इज़ अ नेचुरल डिजास्टर विच इज़ hazardous to human being because it result in water shortage, damage to crops and an increased death rate of livestock and wild animals. It also result in shortage of electricity. Reports show many people worldwide die during these extreme condition in drought prone areas. Contain measures such as construction of reservoir, rain harvest system and stopping over grazing could be taken. It cause increase the food price and unemployment। इसके बाद हम रिकवरी की अगर बात करें तो रिकवरी में आप देखिए, कंजर्विंग वाटर मीन्स मोर वाटर अवेलेबल फॉर क्रिटिकल नीड्स फॉर एवरीवन। व्हाट you can do help save water during these extreme conditions in the kitchen and laundry. Do make sure the dishwasher is full before turning it to dishwasher. Use between 8 to 10 water per load. Do make sure your cloth washer is full before turning it on. Each load of laundry usually requires 50 gallons or more of water. Do use of wall of water. Clean fruits and vegetables rather than running water over them. Rescue the water is bowl to water your house plants. Do store drinking water in the refrigerator rather than letting the tap run every time you want a cool glass of water. Don't let the water run when washing dishes. Do fill the water only halfway and save 10 to 15 gallons. Do take short shower and 3 to 5 gallons of water a minute. Don't use the toilet as a waste basket. Throw trash in a trash basket and avoid flushing unnecessary. Don't leave the water running when you brush your teeth and wash your hands on your face. Practice use about 2 to 3 gallons every minute. Most important, never put water down a drain that can be used for something else, such as watering a garden or cleaning। है ना। तो ये कुछ प्रिवेंशंस थे जो सबको पता है, फॉलो भी कई सारे लोग करते हैं, लेकिन हम सभी को ये करने ही पड़ेंगे आज नहीं तो कल, क्योंकि शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, अगर प्योर वाटर की बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ बहुत कम है। एक्सट्रीम वाटर देखते हैं, एक्सट्रीम वेदर। देयर हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ डिबेट लेटली regarding the cause of the extreme weather conditions most of us have been experiencing the over last 10 to 15 years. Some of the different theories that are being tossed around are global warming, increased solar activities, planetary pole reversal, etc. It seems that no one really knows for certain, regardless of the cause, it is hard to deny the fact that there has been an increase in the severity and occurrence of extreme condition. Here are some extreme water facts. Highest temperature in the northern hemisphere, 134 degree Fahrenheit in Furnace Creek, California on 7/10/1913. Latest 60-minute rainfall, Holt, Missouri on 6/22/1947. Greatest 1-minute rainfall, Unionville, Maryland on 7/4/1956. Maximum wind gust in northern hemisphere 231 meter per hour on Washington, New Hampshire. Biggest numerical tornado outbreak 209 tornado, Southern United. So these are the some record. ठीक है. While some of these events are predictable, the levels of severity cannot always be predetermined. So it is important to know how to respond and to be prepared ahead of time with survival supplies, create preparedness plans, and acquire the resources needed to survive extreme weather conditions. आउटडोर विंटर सर्वाइवल टिप्स देखेंगे. अवॉइड ओवर एक्सटर्शन व्हेन shoveling snow. Over exertion can bring on a heart attack, a major cause of death in winter. If you must slow down, shovel snow, stretch before going outside, cover your mouth, protect your lungs from extremely cold air by covering your mouth when outdoors. Try not to speak unless absolutely necessary. Keep dry. Change wet clothing frequently to prevent the loss of body heat. Wet clothing loses all of its insulting values and transmits heat rapidly. Wash the sign of frostivite. These include loss of feeling and white or pale appearance in extremities such as fingers, toes, earlobes, and tips of the nose. If symptoms are detected, get medical help immediately. Watch for sign hypothermia. These include uncontrollable shivering, memory loss, disorientation, incoherence, slurred speech, drowsiness, and apparent exhaustion. ठीक है, तो ये कुछ earthquake. Are you looking for information on earthquake fact and statistics? You have to come to right places. Let's start with where they can occur. Like volcanoes, they are more prone to certain geographical areas such as Pacific Rim. However, they can occur anywhere. Recent there have been seismic event in New York, North Carolina, or Washington DC. Mineral was the epicenter. The most recent Costquake measured 5.9. The epicenter is just 83 miles from DC and was felt on South and Atlanta and the North Ontario. If you want to read more about the history of DC quakes, the largest earthquake ever hit in US in 1811 along the New Marden Fault in Missouri. The New Marden quake and the aftershocks continue for 3 months from late 1811 into early 1812, which include 3 aftershocks of magnitude greater than 8 and Richter scale. There were felt throughout the entire eastern United States, over 2 million square miles, with Missouri, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Alabama, Arkansas, and Mississippi experienced the strongest ground shaking. It was said to have been caused church bells to ring as far and away to Boston. Earthquake fair. 5 largest quake worldwide. 9.5 Chile, May 2020. 1960. 9.2 Prince William Sound, Alaska, March 28, 1964. 9.1 Anderston of Iceland. 9.0 Kamchatka, November, and 9.0 is Japan, March 11, 2011. The strike suddenly, violently, and without varying any time of year and at any time of the day and night. Smaller ones often follow the main shocks. They are caused by the breaking and shifting of rock beneath the earth's surface. Ground shaking from earthquake can collapse buildings and bridges, disrupt gas, electricity, and phone services, and sometimes triggered landslide, avalanches, flash flood, थैंक यू।